Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Andi Ahmad Raihan Aqila from 268 Group 8. Today I will explain about our project, which is the title is Implementation of Information Technology for Mini Market. First, before we go to hardware, I will explain our system analysis. So in this mini market was made to facilitate a more modern trading transaction, and the author also added a very up-to-date facility for everyone by installing the facilities needed by all such as table, bench, Wi-Fi, socket, and the author also provide computers and printer for cashier. This project contain about hardware, network topology, and maps. So here we are. We go in hardware. First, maybe server. Server is a system on a computer that is used a service provider on a computer network that is connected to a client computer so as to facilitate access. In addition, the server is used to access to client to be able to connect in a computer network. And the second is router. So what is the function of router? First, a function of router is connected the network. And the second is transmission the information. And the last is connected the network to DSL. And then as you can see in last is switch. What is switch? So switch is used as a repeater or amplifier served to connect UTP cable one computer to another computer. In a switch, this usually has routing. The routing itself uses a stepping stone to connect with other computer on the LAN. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And I don't forget to send salawat to Rasulullah Muhammadin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Today, we will presenting about supermarket network scam using Cisco packet tracer. But before I start this presentation, let me introduce myself before. My name is Muh Habibi. You can call me Habibi, and I'm from Group 8. Okay, this is project about using Cisco packet tracer, right? But before I continue the project, I will discuss about system analyze. System analyze, the supermarket was meant to facilitate a more modern trading transaction, and the author also added a very up-to-date facility for everyone by installing the facilities needed by all such table, bench, Wi-Fi, socket, and the author also provide computers and printers for cashier. This project describes about implementation of software, hardware, maps, price, and configuration in supermarket. Okay, if we discuss about Cisco packet tracer, because we're using a Cisco packet tracer right now. What is Cisco packet tracer? Packet tracer are designed by Cisco. Cisco is named by company. Okay, by name by company. So Cisco packet tracer. Okay, packet tracer are designed by Cisco system companies that are used to create network building simulators that help with the concept of network topology and network configuration. And packet tracer is a network tool simulator This is a tool simulator, right? That is often used a medium of learning and training, I think so, and also in the field of computer network simulation research. I will show you a display by application Cisco packet tracer. This is a display, and this is my training, the last day trying to create this. And one what if we talking about function by Cisco packet tracer, uh, Cisco have the function. One of the function is of Cisco packet tracer is that it allows you to configure and build network with an easy to use, and you can drag and drop like this. You can drag in here, you can drag and drop in here. All right, this is very simple. It's very simple. And then this provides partial experience that you can apply in class and even at work. And in here, honestly, I'm using a two server and one router. What in here I'm using a server. If we're talking about server, what the function of server? If we talking about, if we discuss about server, honestly, server have a function is a server that useful for handling DNS. So, and my project about supermarket, so function by server this to use store data items for save data item in my supermarket like that. And the last function is to handle transaction. So this is server have a function for handle to all transaction like this. And I'm using one router in here. And if we discuss again about a router in here, router like to connecting by two or more network. So in here I have more network. Okay, so I'm connecting by my router in here, and the function by router is to forward data from one network to the another network like that. So I think thank you very much and keep watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Deni atau Tehupuring from 2CCA. Today I would like to show you about our network scheme for the supermarket. So this is our network scheme. So this network scheme consists of 10 PCs, 2 server, 2 switch, and 1 router. It is divided into 2 sections. The left section is the cashier, the right section is the warehouse and the customer service. The species on the left it act as its cashier, and the right here, the two PC on the right act as a warehouse computer, and the below at the bottom here it act as customer service. So the server over here act as an data storage and also host of a DNS. And then both of the network connected into a router over here. This is the router. And also the both of this network, the PCs here connected throughout this DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So now we should test its pinging. We should run a ping test. I'm just gonna go to PC5, run. Alright, now we want to test if this PC can ping the server on the warehouse. Before we start with Sol sheet, this is the IP address for the server. So let's try that. So we type ping, we ping 172.16.12.1, and the ping test is successful. Now let's try if we ping from this through the server over here. Let's try that. Or did it? Oh no. Alright, ping. Let's see the IP address for this. 192.168.12.1. Okay, let's go. And then the pinging process is once again successful. For packet sent, receive 4, nothing to lose. Okay, now let's try from this PC. We ping through our network over here, our router over here. So the router acts as its default gateway. So we're gonna do is we're gonna ping the default gateway, the Ethernet 0 per 1. So just go 172. This is the ping IP address, the default gateway 172.168.12.254, and then it is once again successful. Now, how about we try pinging from the left side through the computer on the right side over here. We actually can do it from here. Just go type this message icon, put one here, and then put one here too. So it's successful. You can do that again for the server to server, server to router, and then maybe PC to router. Once again successful. So the network is already connected truly, and it passed the ping test too. So it shows that transfer of transaction of data is going on from left from every piece from every client and every server. So I think that's enough for me. Thank you for your attention.